Alright guys, it's day 18 of my data analysis class, so fit check real quick. Today is going to be a long day because we have a lot to cover. Anyways, I'm concerned about the disposal of waste on the ground rather than the waste bin itself. It's already rainy season, look at the gutters already blocked. Anyways, I'm here in class already, got early and downloaded Power BI. Today we'll be looking at introduction to Power BI and data cleaning with Power Query. We looked at objectives, we looked at the definition of Power BI and what the interface looks like. We also looked at Power BI ecosystem. Our instructor showed us how to publish our project to our workspace and how to generate a link for easy access to view our project. Then we looked at real-world use case of Power BI. We compared features of Power BI and Excel. Our instructor asked us to launch the just downloaded Power BI software, so we have an overview of the interface and the main components. The first thing you see after the launch is the canvas. This is where you build your visuals with data. You can call this the report view. We also looked at data view, which is used to see raw data in tables. We looked at model view, which is used to create relationship between tables. We looked at key tabs. We have home, we have insert, we have modeling. This is where you add new columns and tables. Finally, view. This is where you add your layout and display. We learned how to toggle between the desktop view and the mobile view. Remember, we mentioned this in the ecosystem. Next, we look at key panes. Filter pane is used to filter data. Visualization pane is used to create charts. Fields are used to show tables and columns. Next, we look at connecting to data. When you click on get data, you find several data sources which you can import your data from. Our instructor showed us how to spot the difference between a CSV file and an Excel workbook. It's important to always save your project as an Excel workbook because it supports multiple sheets, unlike a CSV file which supports only one sheet. So first, we select and import our Excel workbook file. Then we mark all tables we want to work on, preview, and click load. All tables are then listed on our data pane. Then we click transform data. This loads the Power Query interface. Next, we select and open our CSV file. This time we click transform data. This opens directly to Power Query. On BI is not listed on our data pane except we click accept changes. It's advisable to always click close and apply after cleaning in Power Query. Next, we learn how to connect to our SQL database. First, you click on get data. You select your SQL server. You enter your server name. In the drop down, you choose the tables you want to work with, you transform, or you load data. On the data pane, you can delete any table you're not working with. We looked at what Power Query is and the components of Power Query interface. On applied steps, we see the list of every changes made. Next, we look at data profiling, which is used to understand data quality. Column quality is used to show errors, valid and empty rows. Column distribution shows distinct and unique values. Column profile shows statistics of column. Next, we look at basic transformation rules, which involves common data cleaning tags. When setting up a column to the correct data type, we learned a new function which explains some values like weekdays can be stored as numbers. We also learned that if a number has symbols, it should be treated as text. Always click refresh to apply changes from data source and reapply cleaning steps saved on query. And finally, always add a new step instead of replacing original data. That was it for today. See you guys on my next video. Peace.